So in today's quick tip, I'm going to show you how you can access the globe on your maps, and that's Apple Maps. And this is how you do it. So if you go on down here to your maps, you have a globe that you can do. And this is like, I think in Monterey, it actually came about. And so this is pretty cool. And how you access that, a lot of times when you open up maps, it's just automatically on a flat map, right? But let's say you want to zoom out. So you just hit Command and minus and just keep zooming out. And watch what happens when you get all the way zoomed out. Ta-da! It's a globe. Yay! And you can turn it around, do whatever it is you want to do, right? Maybe you just want to spin the earth. I don't know. But you can just keep spinning it around. And then maybe you want to look at Beijing. So then you click there and just keep on going down. Maybe you want to hit Command and plus and go on down and look some more, right? Just little cool functionalities that Maps actually has. So I just want to show you all that really quick, and I hope you all enjoyed this episode. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these videos in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care.